will demonstrate a brief and straightforward example of creating a basic Python keylogger for Windows. The aim of this demonstration is to develop a script containing 19 to 22 steps that can effectively capture and log keystrokes in a notepad. Additionally, we will shed light on the simplicity of creating such a tool and explore the range of capabilities that a basic keylogger can offer. These capabilities encompass monitoring keystrokes as well as tracking and influencing mouse cursor movements. You can efficiently create your keylogger using Visual Studio Code with Python extensions, enabling a streamlined development process. Beginning with the three fundamental file handling operations, which involve reading, writing, and appending data to the file. In the initial file, I employ the f variable, which represents the write function to transmit keystrokes to a text file named log.txt. In this case, I specify what I want the computer to record within the log files. Serving as a demonstration, when a file is opened, it reserves the system resources. Upon utilizing the close function, these resources and memory are released from the system. Upon running this code, you'll observe that it conveys the text I've composed to a notepad. For the second file, I switched the code from the write mode W to the read mode R. I also introduced a print command which now reads as a text. For the second file, I switched the code from write mode W to read mode R. I also introduced a print command which now reads the text stored in my log.txt file and displays it to my terminal. So what I had previously on my log.txt should come out on my terminal now when I run this program. For the third file, I introduced the concept of appending mode, which continually adds new text to the log file without overwriting the existing content. By incorporating the /n, I created a fresh and clean line in my notepad. As you can see, I am now documenting a transaction, Joseph $5 PayPal, for the win. So you put it in a separate line to avoid clutter. Keylogging extends its capabilities beyond the mere keyboard input monitoring. It has the potential to both record and manipulate the mouse cursor's position. The following 7 lines of code illustrate how to direct the mouse to a specific location of your choice. In this instance, the mouse will navigate to the coordinates 10, 20 at the top left corner of your screen. Mouse should move here. Mouse is now here. With a few code modifications, you can track and log the mouse's movements as it traverses the screen. For example, if I change this to 2520, 1275 location, it corresponds to the approximate location of my trash can. Adjusting the left and right position will reposition the mouse over the trash can. I am now over the trash can. A simple change in code can track your mouse live. So you can now see current position of the mouse location. The concluding demonstration will illustrate the process of refining and enhancing the accuracy and readability of a keylog. This involves incorporating commands to substitute keystrokes like space, enter, shift, and tab, among others. In this example, I've implemented a code that instructs the keylogger to insert a new line when the enter key is pressed, ensuring that the log remains uncluttered and legible. Additional keys, such as the backspace, have been added to serve as a reminder for deleting the most recent entry. Example, I run the code. If they want to go to Facebook, enter, type in their made a mistake, backspace, gmail.com, and put in their password, try to log in. It will record pretty clean log file. If you notice here, made a mistake, erase all the way, and I went to facebook.com, typed in my Gmail, typed in my fake password. If I wanted to do searches, I only typed in G there, so it only should have marked a G. Oh, I made a mistake, love you. I searched for I love you, created a whole new line. That should delete this. Here's the G when I did a search for Google, and I love you. This serves as an illustration of the fundamental structures of how a keylogger can be created easily and quickly. It's essential to exercise caution when installing and running software on your computer. Generally, a trustworthy software source can be identified by a recognizable icon such as a dolphin. Thank you for your time, and I hope you've gained valuable insights today.